welcome to my channel. My name is Chinwe and this is my first post here, and today I shall be starting off with how to apply foundation for beginners and what you need to know. And in this video I shall be talking about the meaning of makeup foundation, the purpose and why you need to wear a foundation, the tools that you need to apply it, and how to apply it as well. So let's get started. Now, what is makeup foundation? Makeup foundation simply means that skin colored liquid cream that you rub on the face as the base before other makeup is applied. Now, take for instance, when building a house, you start by laying the foundation. It is the foundation that gives support to other structures to get its desired look. Now, that is what foundation is. It is the base on which other makeup is applied. Now, I hope you got that. Now, why do you need to wear a makeup foundation? You need to wear a foundation because it has a lot of benefits. For instance, it helps to cover up flaws from redness, pigmentation, acne, blemishes. Now, if you look at my face, I have them. You can see the spots. You can see acne. Yes, and they're obvious. It is the foundation that will help to cover it up and leave the face flawless. Again, it helps to provide a more even skin tone or a uniform color complexion. Also, it helps other makeup products like the blush, the highlighter, the concealer to go much more smoothly on the face and to give the face a sleek look. Again, it is good that you wear a makeup foundation because it has moisturizing benefits like the sunscreen, which will help to shield the face from environmental pollutants. And lastly, the foundation helps makeup last longer. I hope I'm making sense. Now, what are the tools that you need to apply the foundation? You will be needing the beauty blender or the beauty sponge, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now this beauty sponge helps the foundation to blend in well, gives it a more natural finish, and will sit properly on the face. And then you also need a foundation brush, and this brush is what I'll be using shortly to apply my foundation. Now the brush simply gives the foundation a fuller coverage. Alright, so let's get started. So the foundation I'm using today is Flawless Ivy. Oh yes, Flawless Ivy foundation. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, I love this foundation because it is matte, oil free, and again it is 100% waterproof, meaning it is unaffected by water. Again, I love the foundation because it is portable, so easy to carry around. And then if you look at the head, okay, it has a pump. Yes, it has a pump, so it's just going to be easy for the products to come out. And again, the shades that I am using, Honey 600. All right, I hope you can see it. That's what I am using today. So to apply the foundation, I'm going to first wipe my face. Okay, so I'm going to wipe it so I can begin on a clean face. So now that I have wiped, I'm going to prep my face. Okay, I'm going to prep my face using this Zikel Photo Fix primer. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And again, I have oil skin, so I like to use a matte face primer. So I'm just applying underneath my eyes, my forehead, and my nose ridge, okay, and my jaw. Okay, the next thing I'll be adding now to my face is milk of magnesia. I love to use milk of magnesia because it's also matte and it will really help to control the oil. And since my face is very stubborn and you know it's oil skin, I like to add milk of magnesia as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it and just a little underneath my eyes again, on my nose ridge, forehead, and jaw. All right, so that is it. After prepping my face, the next thing I'm going to apply is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to be using this concealer to conceal the spots on my face before the foundation comes in, and the shade I'm using is Fawn. So I'm just going to apply it on the spots, okay, and the dark circles around my mouth, then the spots on my cheeks, and then I think I have some on my head, my forehead. Okay, so I'm going to press the foundation out now. You're going to see how easy it's going to come out. Okay, so see it just comes out. Oh, you see, it just comes out. You see it? Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so I'm going to apply it now. All right, so I'm going to begin with my brush. Okay, I'm going to be using the brush to apply it first. So I'm going to start downwards and build up. Okay, so you see how it is covering it up, the blemishes. So you continue to go with your strokes. You see, you can even take it down and then apply again. You just continue to apply until you're okay, like you're okay with the coverage. So blend, 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 continue. Wow, you see? Ah, wow, the eye area as well. The brush needs to go in there. See, down to my neck. Wow. Oh, wow, I love what I see. So this is where the beauty sponge comes in now. Okay, so I'm going to use the beauty sponge and just, you know, dab, dab. You see? You see? And I'll just go over it. I already had my brows done. Okay, wow. You see it? Wow, I love already. Okay, so that is it. You see how, you know, how flawless this is looking. Yeah. Okay, so I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so just, you know, comment down below and just tell me what you think already. Just tell me what you think. Just leave me a comment, okay? And you can see how my face is looking. It's now a reflection of all that I talked about. You can no longer see the spots, you can no longer see the flaws. It's all covered up. Oh yes, and that is why I like Flawless Ivy. It really answers to its name. Yes, flawless indeed. Okay, so this is a powder brush now, so I'm just going to, you know, buff it out, you know, in circular motion, just to smoothen it. And yeah, okay, all right, so that is it. Wow, I love this. I love this. So that is it for the foundation look, how to apply foundation for beginners. All right, and before I go, I will just apply natural color from this eyeshadow palette, 16 color in a box. I'm just going to apply it to my eyes. Okay, I'm using this blending brush, you know. Just very natural. This is a foundation routine, so okay, just to finish up the look. Okay, and then I'm going to apply a lip pencil. This one is from House of Tara International. It's a brown pencil. Okay, so I'll be using it to line in my lip. Okay, all right, so wow, I love. Okay, then this is my lipstick. Okay, this is from CoverGirl. Yes, CoverGirl Nude lipstick. Yes, this is what I'm going to be using. It is 200 sultry. Okay, that's what I'm using, 200 sultry. I don't know if you can see it. It's nude, so I'm just going to apply. Wow. Okay, then this is my lip gloss. This is blueberry lip gloss. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply it. I love lip gloss a lot. Wow. Aww. Okay, so I love lip gloss a lot because of the, you know, youthful glow. All right, so I love it a lot. You see, wow, even with just this foundation, I'm ready to step out. You see how nice, how I'm looking so good and flawless. Oh yes, so that is it. Wow, I hope you find this video helpful. All right, so that is it for foundation routine. So please, this is a beauty channel, lifestyle, everything beauty, fashion, and you'll be getting more makeup looks like this one, and so if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Okay, it's going to mean the world to me. And don't forget, when you click on the button, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that when there's an upload, you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to leave me a comment and give the video a thumbs up, and also share for me. Please invite your friends here as well. Thank you all for watching, and before I leave, it is important that we all stay safe in this COVID-19 situation. Always wash your hands, sanitize your hands regularly, and again, practice social distancing. I believe this will pass, hopefully. Okay, so thank you all, and my name is Chinwe. Bye.